Robert here from supersneaky.com, and here's our finished flush mount garage door. Check it out. There's the Super Sneaky right there. There's hinges that we make. That's our operator reinforcing plate. There's our operator extension bracket. The interesting thing about this, it's a standard garage door. It just has a different framing and installation technique. Let's open this up. Works just like a regular door. Oh. There we go. It's all set up and ready to go for wood siding. You can see how flush that is. And you just clad across that with your wood siding. I'm going to take that off, and we're going to clad it with some different materials. But yeah, that's our flush mount garage door kit. So if you're in the market, give us a call and we'll fix you up.